Hi, my name is Aanchal Jain and I am a junior this year at Okemos High School. A fun fact about me is that I love reading the Harry Potter series in my free time. Today we'll be making another gift bag for the holiday season. Let's get started. To make these bags, you will need a stencil. You can also use any circular shaped item, a ruler, a pair of scissors, a pencil, an eraser, a hole punch, and a Sharpie marker. For our second bag, we will be making a Christmas tree. So to start, I have a circle that I've cut out of white paper that I'm going to glue in the center of the bag. Go ahead and put this aside to dry. Now, you're going to want to grab a sheet of green paper. This can be any paper that's green for our Christmas tree. And what you're going to do is grab your ruler and draw a triangle shape to cut out. Now that we have our green Christmas tree, I have cut out a little rectangle out of brown paper, and I'm going to take my glue and glue the little rectangle to the bottom of the Christmas tree. Just like this. So this is what your Christmas tree should look like now. Now we're going to grab our hole puncher and some red paper. This can be sparkly or normal paper. And I'm just going to cut out many different hole punches out of the red paper to get ornaments. Now that we have our hole punches, I'm just going to empty them out of our hole puncher. And so these are all of the different red ornaments that I have now. And so now I'm going to put these here and grab our Christmas tree and then take our glue and just make some random splotches all over the Christmas tree. Just like this. Then go ahead and grab each one of your red hole punches and put them down onto the Christmas tree. So here's our finished Christmas tree. As you can probably tell, the glue is still a little wet, but we will let this dry for a few minutes. Once our tree has dried, go ahead and grab your paper bag with the white circle on it. And now we're just going to grab some glue and put our tree right here, towards the right of our circle. Go ahead and position it, and then glue it down. If you would like to add another touch, go ahead and grab some gold paper and get another hole punch out of the gold paper. You can also use yellow paper, and then take out that hole punch and add a little dot at the top of your Christmas tree and put the gold hole punch there as a star. The last thing that I'm doing here is that I have cut out the word joy out of some red sparkly paper, and I'm going to glue that on right here. Here is your final bag. I hope you consider making this gift bag for the holiday season and brighten someone's day up. Be sure to continue to learn and grow and keep reading those books. Thanks for watching!